indicators come from? Right, exactly. So, no, they're good, but there's other ones that can already...
My own idea was that maybe for strategies we think big, but for intervention we needed to think to do what what the community can do.
Did the interventions come out of the data?
I was telling them it had to be the logical. You have to think, to use it had to be linked to the strategy, to the indicator, and then to the factor.
Okay, but these are not interventions that somebody in the community suggested.
Well, we did. If you see, they will cite factors of vulnerability. At the end, they start citing intervention. You see, like they cite factor, but at the end, he will put for this is the intervention. We didn't ask the question. We decide.
No, they tell you.
They tell you this is the intervention
exactly.
we can. So we picked some intervention that they added.
Yeah, I think we would just need to know, or should they be two boxes? Should it say one, intervention suggested by respondent, and then other interventions?
Okay,
just so that we're clear.
Maybe.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
Because we have to be very careful, because if we start citing interventions, but it didn't come from the community, it came from other people, then we have to know that. You know what I mean? Like, otherwise we just risk saying, oh, we already know what's good for them, even though they didn't say it. Our researchers know what's best, and I think we want to avoid jumping to those conclusions.
But we need to make sure that we know that protective strategies are part of one question. So in a protective strategy, you may pick intervention from there.
Okay, so you're saying that under the strategies, these came from the data. Protective strategy.
Yes.
And so, but the intervention, maybe the respondent didn't say the intervention to carry out that strategy.
You can decide from the strategy.
Okay, I don't have a problem with that, but still maybe two boxes. One, interventions directly recommended by the respondent.
Great. No problem with
so that we know if it was someone's idea in the community, we know that's where it came from.
Yeah, I guess the thing that the more detail in the analysis, the better. You know, the more detailed that you explain where things come from is going to be better. So anybody can pick it up, regardless of whether they're involved with Fran or not, and understand what happened.
So what I wanted to say here is, but we had a lot of problems going through them. We had a lot. Maybe if another one, if they can tell us what they did. But it was difficult. I can say impossible.
Je pense que j'ai terminé. Le travail continue. Hein.
Oui, le travail toujours continue, je pense.
Le laboratoire continue à travailler.
Yeah, that's good. Non, c'est très bien que vous avez déjà identifié les facteurs de résilience. Je pense que ça c'est génial.
Merci.
Très bien. Merci.
Tu peux partir. Merci.
He's finished.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, the rest of the participants, for your input. So you give me about 5 minutes to find out whether lunch is ready. It should be our next item on the agenda. And then